What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and the OnePlus is coming with one of its biggest event of the year, and it's launching almost everything alongside with the new products. So in this video we'll be specifically talking about the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 and what you can expect from these earphones as its specifications and also with its price range. Now the event is going live on 7th of February, and what you can expect from this event is the OnePlus 11, the OnePlus 11R, the Buds Pro 2. Also, the OnePlus is also coming this time with its OnePlus keyboard also, which is the first time the OnePlus is doing apart from the computer peripherals. And also the OnePlus will be launching its 65-inch of TV alongside at the 7th February event. Now, sticking back to the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, then the Buds Pro 2 will be inspired by the OnePlus Buds Pro, which we have saw last year. And the designing of this buds is going to be similar one, and the overall weight of this what we say is the casing and the earbuds is going to be of 453.59 grams, and the sound quality this time is going to improve with the 11mm dynamic drivers, and you will also be getting a co-quality with Dino audio sound quality in these earbuds. Now, what's also been known about these earbuds is that the 3 ENC noise reduction microphones are also coming this time around with the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Last year, this was of 2 ENC noise reduction microphones. Now, ANC will also be supported with the spatial audio, will also be present in this Buds Pro 2. Now, talking about its actual performance and how long will the buds will actually run, then you can expect these buds to be running for 39 hours of playtime with a charging case, and only single buds can deliver up to 8 hours of battery backup. Now, apart from that, the Bluetooth 5.3 will be available, and the Buds Pro 2 will be available in 2 colors, which are the arbor green and the black. Now, this time around, the lineup is being kept pretty much simple with terms of the Buds Pro 2 in terms of colors, and the pricing of this earbuds is expected to be around 15,000 rupees at the launch event. Well, later on the prices will decrease with time and all, but 15,000 rupees seems a pretty decent pricing for these Buds Pro 2 considering what's it bringing to the table. Now, if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.